Okay, we're gonna do the castle. So I've got some white fondant rolled out, my cookie here, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it with my cookie cutter. All right, now I only need the part that goes up to here. So I'm gonna use this and I'm just gonna cut like that. And then what I could do, there's several ways you could do this for the brick. I have these little texture mats that I can push on here. If you don't have those, what you can do is use this veining tool. So let me actually just go ahead and push this on here like that. So I'll take this, pick it up, flip it on over. Place it right on top. Okay. And this is one thing I want to show you. This cookie bows out a little bit here. I'm not going to necessarily follow that shape of that cookie. I would rather have a straight line right here with my fondant because that's what your eye is going to go to. So don't always follow the line of the cookie. Once it's on there, what I like to do is take, this is another clay tool. And what I like to do is just texture this a little bit, like the stone, by just going like this. And that's it. I don't do it everywhere, just kind of here and there. Okay, so once that's on, then what I can do is the tops of the turrets. So I just want to take these, little piece like this, of course roll it into a ball, move it down here and roll it into a little bit more of a cone shape. Okay, this is going to go in here. I'm going to place some water down here, pop it on, and then what I want to do is keep this part a little thicker, but the sides, you know, have it come down a little bit. So I just kind of stretch this down and make it a little bit more pointy there by just kind of pinching that together. Same over here. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and do our little lines here. Now I can take a little bit of white and place it right there for the flag. So again, it's going to be a cone, a ball, a cone, water, and just pop it on right on top. Make that a little pointy. Okay, now we can do the features like the windows and around the door. For around the door, I start with the ball and then roll it out so it's a little bit more of a cord. I can flatten it a little bit. And then I just take this tool again or a toothpick and just go make these little lines. Okay, now windows. We can make 2 windows with 1 ball. Okay, make a ball first. And then if I just go make back and forth, make almost like a tic-tac shape, and then flatten that out a little bit. And then cut this in half, then I have 2 windows. And then you can just take anything and kind of go around the edges and make a little design. Then I have a little flag type thing right here in the center, and I do that by actually just rolling out the fondant. So I'll roll this out. Make sure I can pick it up. And then I cut a strip and then cut into a V shape. Okay, now I want to fold that under, place it down, and then lift it up, put a little more water, lift this up and give it some movement, like that.